So hey guys, how are you? My name is Shahbaz Salim and you're watching my YouTube channel SAK Creation. So guys, we are back with latest bridal blouse designs. In this design, I want to tell you everything about these bridal blouse designs and how to make this design at home with some normal needles. Okay, so right now we are stitching some stone chain on the sleeves, and I want to tell you one more thing guys. These are needle 7 number, but if you are a beginner, you are not using like this type of needle, you use iron needles and do tar needles, because if you are a beginner you have no idea how to put these are needle in hand, so I think you will break these are needles. Okay, always remember these are things. Okay, so first we are stitching some stone chain on a leaf with some resham work and other work. I'll tell you everything in details. Okay, so first we are complete this stone chain stitching, and always remember one thing, do slowly and very neat work. Okay, so right now color is a change, but don't worry, same designs but different color. Okay, and right now we are on the back and stitching some kasab flower on the back neck, and needle is a dotar needle. Dotar needle is a very unique and a very sharp needle and easy to use. Okay, and it's basically used for silk thread, also for gold resham and other resham. If you want to stitching some resham and other thread, you need these are needles. Okay, it's dotar needles. Okay, and put some normal thread and thick thread on a upper side on needle, so it's very good for needle hanging. Okay, look at this, same as it is we are complete this flower and another one, and look at these are some little leaf. We are stitching some silk thread with a different color, because these blouse designs have a 4 color maximum. Okay, so right now we are stitching a gold color kasab line. Okay, look at this, same we are already printing this flower, then we are stitching same as it is on a printing line. Look at this, and this also needle same number dotar needle. Okay, and in this flower middle side we are stitching some silk thread with a different color. Okay, because these blouse designs have a maximum 3 to 4 color, because my customer demand has for these blouse designs have a maximum 3 to 4 color, because this is a multi-color for use other saris. Like if your saris was a pink, so it's suitable for, because we are already using pink color silk thread resham. And if your sari gold, also suitable for gold sari. This is a benefit for making a multi-color blouse. Okay, look at these sleeves, and this is a huge bridal blouse designs. Look at this, we are right now we are stitching some pink color silk thread resham Christmas load. It's a different load, it's a khiche hue tar, it's a different and it's a very unique work. Look at this, and right now we are also stitching with the dotar needle. Dotar needle is very important for stitching like this thread type flowers and other work. Okay, look at this, first we are stitching outside outline, then we are stitching inside work. Always remember these are thing, and not a single line, we are stitching 2 lines outside, 2 lines, then we are stitching same 2 lines in a middle side. Look at this, and then we are start to making some flowers with these needles. Look at this. Okay, and if you face any difficulties to learn this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. My team always ready for help. Okay, and we are like a family, and you just give me message, just hi message, my team will give you fast reply, and everything I will do for you for learning purposes and other things. Okay, so right now we are using third color, it's rama green, light rama green. Okay, same pink color flower we are stitching another rama green flower, both are flower as the same, but color was a different. First one is a pink, and right now we are stitching one rama green. Okay, look at this, it's a little bit, right now it's a little bit multicolor, but when blouse design are ready, look at this, very unique and very beautiful. Okay, don't forget to miss any part, because if you are miss any part of my video, so I think it's not easy for learning. Okay, watch regularly. If you face any problem and any difficulties to learn this work, please do WhatsApp. I'll show you on the screen. Do WhatsApp on the same number and just ask him, Bhaiya, I need this type of help and I need some needles. I will do everything for you guys, okay? Because we are working for you 24/7 day and night. Look at this, okay? So now we are stitching some other work. It's Zardozi work. It's a different Zardozi work. You seen before lots of French knots, thick French knots and round flower French knots, but this type of different. Okay, first we are stitching a straight line, straight line in the middle side of flower. Then we are stitching straight line Zardozi. Look at this. And this Zardozi cutting was a little bit different. And if you are stitching Zardozi all around your kundan, so you need to cut some long Zardozi. And if you want to stitching Zardozi load and like this type of work, you need to cut Zardozi was a little bit short cutting. Okay, look at this. And needle was a 7 number wooden needle, and these are needle not for a beginner. Always remember, this needle not for beginner, it's only for a pro level. If you are a beginner, you use iron needle. Iron needle is a very simple and also strong needle. Okay, wooden needle not strong, it's a very sharp and very fast needle. Okay, so right now we are stitching some leaves with other color like green and also pink. Look at this. First we are stitching a straight line, then we are stitching like this cross type of hooks. Okay, look at this. Same as it is, we are stitching all around the sleeves. And believe me guys, this blouse was a very iconic color with combination with the work. And this is a original Ari work, and these all material are original quality and very expensive. Okay, this is a 3 number moti, some stone chain, some gold kasab, zardozi, and green color silk thread, pink color silk thread, and also some sugar beads. And these are sugar beads are different, and lots of people use A Star sugar beads, but I think A Star was not a good brand and also not a good sugar beads. It's too much difficulties faced to stitching when you are stitching straight line, too much difficulties. Okay, so right now we are stitching outline with the pink color Christmas flower. Look at this. And this needle is a do tar needle. Okay, look at this. Same as it is, we are cover all flower with the outline, but a different color. Look at this gold flower, we are stitching outline with the pink color, and pink flower we are stitching outline with the gold color. This called combination. And also blouse design depend on combination. If your blouse design looking good, so I think your combination was a good. If your blouse not looking good, so I think your combination color was not good. Okay, look at this. And right now we are stitching some jerkin stand all around these sleeves, because we are stitching this jerkin stand in one condition. If your sleeves have some big space, like it's not looking good, so then you need to stitching like this. Okay, this is a jerkin stand, this is a just stand, and we are also sticking in a middle side jerkin, Mingyu company jerkin. Okay, we are sticking all around the jerkin, then leave maximum 10 to 15 minutes for dry. And we are also sticking jerkin in a pink color middle side space. Look at this, pink color, gold color, and zardozi flowers. We are sticking actually we are sticking jerkins, 12 number jerkin have a two quality. In my side popular only two varieties, like 12 number and a 14 number. Okay, I'll show you the final look of this blouse design. Look at this guys, this is awesome and latest bridal blouse design. If you want this blouse design, you just do WhatsApp on the same number. I'll make with your according choice. We are making blouse design with your body measurement and also for your according. Okay, like any color you want. You just tell me which color you want, I will make according to your choice. Okay, and we are also especially in a customization. You are sick and you are too much healthy, don't worry about that. You just give me your body measurement, I will make same as it is. Okay, and don't worry about quality. My quality was a very unique, and also we are using original material, so don't worry about that. I know my cost was a little bit high, but my material is original. Don't worry about quality, guys. If you want quality, you don't see the price. Look at this back neck. This is a very unique blouse design, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learn so much about ari work. And if you want to buy this blouse design, you just do WhatsApp on the same number. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And if you are a new and watch right now, so please do subscribe, and also press the bell icon for a future video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.